Hi everyone, Carmen Westermeyer here. I'm going to talk about something which normally is a little bit of a footnote, but actually when you get into the nuts and bolts of it can be quite a complicated tax, and that's donations tax. Now, we generally focus a lot more of our time and energy on estate duty, but the two really are two sides of the same coin. The donations tax is almost the anti-avoidance provision of estate duty, because we want to make sure that, National Treasury wants to make sure that the assets, when they leave us, are then subject to this wealth tax. I mean, effectively, a donations tax is a form of wealth tax. So what this session is going to focus on are the key questions of what actually is a donation subject to donations tax. I am also going to be looking at some of the common misconceptions when it comes to what is a donation, and as well as how donations tie in with income tax to an extent. So we'll be looking at the calculation of donations tax, what is a donation, how it interacts with the other provisions such as Section 7C, what exemptions are available, and some of the changes that have happened over the last couple of years in donations tax. I hope to see you at the session. You may feel you know everything about donations, but I think once we start getting into the nuts and bolts of it, you may realize that we've remembered the highlights reel, but there's actually quite a bit of detail in there. So if you need a refresher on the detail, this is the session for you.